Jamie from Country Diggers. Had a pretty good day today. Had a toy car bonanza. So y'all stay tuned for that video. Bye. A truck. Cool. I sure wish they had wheels though. But anyway, cool. Y'all, these two cars just popped out of this sack right here. Look at that. I got me a Ronald McDonald car. Tara found me a Ronald McDonald car. Oh, I got one. Alright. Yes. And there's another one that was pretty too. Alright, y'all. I got something right here. I don't know what that is. What do y'all think that is? Some kind of helicopter? I think it might be a helicopter. Alright. Y'all look at that. That is neat. Alright. And got something right here too. There's a cup. Hey, just pulled out a cup. And it's whole. That's cool. Alright, we'll keep that. And I think there's something else in here. I wonder if that car is whole. What else we got in here, y'all? Highway Patrol. I wonder if that car right there is a Highway Patrol. We will see. It's lost its wheels, if that's this one. Alright, here we go. Okay. Oh, there's another one right there. This is cool. This is a toy car day. Alright, let's get in here and see. There's something else right there. Ooh, part of the, I don't know what, gun? I don't know. Let's get this one. This one be whole. Come on. Yeah, it's a Jeep. Uh-oh, I tore it. Oh no. Let me stop the camera and I'll get it. Right there it is. I don't think it's salvageable. I'm not gonna take it. So I'll put it right there. It's just too rusted. Alright. I think I just uncovered me a boat right here. Let's see. I think It's a under there too. That looks like a car under there. Hey, hey, hey. It is. Alright, let's get this boat up first. I know it's a helicopter. It's one of them helicopters. That must be the highway patrol because it's got a little thing on it right there. It says star on it. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna take it because it looks beyond repair. But let's check this out. Oh, and what do I see right there? Look at that. Uh-oh, fell in. Get that out. Okay. Yeah. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Okay, come on. I think it was probably, I think it was probably just a penny because that's all I find up here is pennies. And they're always memorials. But we'll check it out and see. Truck be good. It's a little, I think that's plastic. Get myself situated. Pretty rock. This could be considered a live dig right here. What we got. I hope that coin or penny or whatever it was ain't. I hope I didn't mess it up. Come on. What else we got in there? Man. Okay, there we go. Alright. I'm getting there, y'all. I'm getting there. This is probably going to be my last time today anyway. I gotta get home. I'm getting there. Just seeing what else we got in here. Tara always fusses at me because I get distracted so much. But sometimes you find good stuff when you're distracted. Like that compact case. It's probably a modern compact case, looks like it. We'll see when we get home. Alright. Phew, it sure does stink in here. Alright. Come on, come on, come on. I'm ready to pull it up, I guess. I hope. There's something else in there too, ain't there? Maybe, I don't know what that is. Part of a clock or something. I don't know. Okay. Oh, goodness. Okay. We're gonna get it up. Ow! Darn it. The crawl pepper broke off. Man. Okay. I had forgot about the penny being in the hole, or if that was a penny, it's gone now.